Okay, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you how to do a half up, half down look. And this hairstyle was very easy, simple to do. So if you not too busy, you can just throw this in like 10 minutes, honestly. But yeah, I just like the way it looking. Okay, you guys, so right here, only thing that I did was part my hair straight across. I'm just doing this so I can section off the back so I can get ready to braid the back down. This would be the part where I okay, so as you can see, after I sectioned it off, braided my top down, I'm just gonna apply just a regular basic black stocking cap to protect my hair from the glue. And then after I put my stocking cap on, I'm just gonna spray it down with the pump it up spritz before I put my tracks on. Okay, so what hair I'm using is about 2 years old now. It's deep wave, and I just had literally like a bundle and a half of it left. So I just decided to use it for this particular hairstyle since I know I won't be able to use it for no other reason. It is messed up too, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it later on in the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm at the top of my head now, and I'm just putting on the last piece of a check right here. And at this point, I will then get my scissors and just cut the remainder of the stocking cap off. Please be careful not to cut your real hair because it will hurt. It will suck ass too. So you just want to get it nice and even. And if you want to, you can spray spritz right here. I did mine off camera and used the blow dryer so it won't lift up during my cutting process. So after you get done cutting the remainder of your stocking cap, you will then part around the left out that you have for that leave out, so you can blend your natural hair with the tracks. This is optional. You don't have to do it. It's just I didn't know how to do it without leave out. To be honest, so this was working for me. Okay, you guys. After I took the leave out, I just took my curling wand and did mini spiral curls in my head to match the pattern of the tracks. As you can see, my hair is not bushy anymore. It's because I applied water with it and it just sprang back into its normal state. And it's way better. That's why I like doing human hair, because it just goes back to the pattern it was at. So we on the top part, which is the ponytail part, and here I'm just braiding it. After I braid it, I'm gonna wrap it around into a little knot on the top of my head. Then I will apply my tracks, and then after I do so, and I did it without the glue. I didn't want it on my ponytail, and I'm gonna take it off at night. And then I just style as desired, and I'm finished. Turned out pretty good. I look good. My hair look good. I feel good. Hey, girl, hey. Hope the results is the same for you. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.